Good afternoon, students. Today we will study Unit 2, Lecture 1, Organic Chemistry, Organometallic Compounds. What are organometallic compounds? The compounds in which a carbon atom is directly linked with metal are called as organometallic compound. Example, CH3MgI. CH3 is methyl group, Mg is magnesium and I is iodide. Methyl group is directly attached to metal, so it is an example of organometallic compound. Likewise, C2H5 Zn C2H5. Ethyl group is attached to zinc. This is also an example of organometallic compound. Now, C6H5Ln, that is phenyl group is attached to lithium. This is also a example of organometallic compound. First, we will study organomagnesium compound. This is also known as Grignard reagent. They have general formula RMgX. R is hydrocarbon radical and X is a halogen atom. Example, CH3MgBr, methyl magnesium bromide. This is an example of Grignard reagent. Preparation of Grignard reagent. When magnesium metal is added to the solution of alkyl halide in dry ether, a vigorous reaction takes place and Grignard reagent is formed. So, Rx alkyl halide plus magnesium, you will get RMgX. Example again, CH3CH2Br, this is ethyl group, ethyl bromide and magnesium, you are getting ethyl magnesium bromide. This is a Grignard reagent. CH3CH2MgBr, Grignard reagent, RMgX. This is the preparation of Grignard reagent. Now, structure of Grignard reagent. The Grignard reagent has the general formula RMgX. The carbon bond magnesium bond is covalent but highly polar with carbon pulling electrons from electropositive magnesium. The magnesium halogen bond is essentially ionic. So, Grignard reagent has the formula RMgX. Here you are seeing RMgX is there in the diagram. You are seeing that it is RMgX. R is there, Mg plus and X minus is there. The carbon bond magnesium. So, carbon magnesium bond is covalent but highly polar. Highly polar means it is having polarity, means having opposite charges with carbon pulling electrons from electropositive magnesium. So, electropositive magnesium is there and carbon is pulling electrons from electropositive magnesium. The magnesium halogen bond is essentially ionic. Ionic bond means the bond from the formation of ions is known as ionic bond. Next, reactions of Grignard reagent. First reaction is synthesis of hydrocarbons. So, different hydrocarbons will prepare from Grignard reagent. A. Synthesis of alkanes. We will prepare alkanes from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent react with compounds containing active hydrogen like water, alcohol, ammonia, primary amine, alkyl halide, etc. to form alkanes. So, in the first reaction you are seeing CH3MgI plus HOH. HOH means water molecule gives CH4 plus MgOHI. So, this is the example of Grignard reagent with water. You are getting methane. Grignard CH3MgI, when it is reacting with water, you are getting methane. Next, second reaction is CH3MgI plus C2H5OH. This is ethyl alcohol. Methyl magnesium iodide plus ethyl alcohol. You are getting methane again. Next, CH3MgI plus ammonia. So, CH3MgI NH3 is the formula of ammonia. You are getting here again methane. Next, CH3MgI plus CH3 bond NH2. This is methyl amine, primary amine. When primary amine reacts with methyl magnesium iodide, you are getting methane. Next, alkyl halide CH3MgI plus C6H5I. So, CH3MgI is Grignard reagent. C6H5I is, this is phenyl group. Phenyl iodide is there. Alkyl. So, here halide is there. Again, you are getting here propane. CH3C2H5. You are getting propane. So, from Grignard reagent, we can prepare alkanes. So, these are the reactions of Grignard reagent. When we are studying the reactions of Grignard reagent, the reactions we are getting, synthesis of alkanes are formed when the reactions with alkane is taking place. Next, synthesis of alkenes. From Grignard reagent, we are preparing alkenes. Grignard reagent react with alkenes halide to form alkenes. methyl magnesium iodide react with alkyl chloride to form butene. CH3Mgi plus CH3CH2 bond CH double bond CH2 with alkenes it is reaction to give butene. But 1 this is butene. Methyl magnesium iodide react with alkyl chloride to form butene. CH3 CH2 bond Ca double bond CH2 is alkyl chloride and you are getting butene. The in one position double bond is there, so but1 in is formed. Next, from Grignard reagent we are preparing alkynes. First we prepared alkanes, next we prepare alkenes, now we are preparing alkynes. Ethyl magnesium iodide react with methyl iodide to give propyne. So what? Ethyl magnesium iodide, CH3 triple bond C bond Mg bond I. So here you are getting ethyl is there, Mg I. Ethyl magnesium iodide when reacts with methyl iodide CH3 bond I, you are getting propyne, CH3 CH triple bond C single bond CH3. So synthesis of alkynes can be done with Grignard reagent. Next, preparation of alcohol. First is Grignard reagent on reaction with formaldehyde in presence of dry ether gives a complex which on acid hydrolysis give primary alcohol. H bond Ca double bond O. This is formaldehyde CH3Mgbr Grignard reagent. The presence of ether on the arrow ether is written. Then you are getting first addition compound in the bracket is there. H bond CH bond OMgBr bond CH3. This addition compound is formed. Then again which is on hydrolysis with dilute HCl and water you are getting ethyl alcohol CH3CH2OH plus MgBrOH. So Grignard reagent on reaction with formaldehyde in the presence of dry ether it gives a complex and then which on hydrolysis we are getting primary alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is primary alcohol. So from Grignard reagent reaction of Grignard reagent and formaldehyde we are getting primary alcohol, ethyl alcohol. Next, Grignard reagent on reaction with acetaldehyde gives secondary alcohol. In this example, isopropyl alcohol. CH3 bond Ca double bond O is acetaldehyde plus CH3Mgbr methyl magnesium bromide in the presence of dry ether. Again, you are getting complex or addition compound CH3CH CH3OMgBr. This on hydrolysis you are getting isopropyl alcohol. So Grignard reagent on reaction with formaldehyde you got primary alcohol. Grignard reagent on reaction with acetaldehyde we get secondary alcohol. Next, Grignard reagent on reaction with ketone gives tertiary alcohol. Here you are getting tertiary butyl alcohol. CH3 bond C double bond O CH3. This is acetone on reaction with CH3Mgbr in presence of dry ether you are getting a addition compound here, complex compound addition compound. Then which on hydrolysis we are getting tertiary butyl alcohol. CH3 bond C on three sides we are having CH3 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 and OH. So tertiary butyl alcohol is formed. So Grignard reagent on reaction with ketone gives tertiary alcohol, that is tertiary butyl alcohol in this case we are getting. So here we are preparing, we have prepared alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol from Grignard reagent. When this is under reactions of Grignard reagent, and when we are studying about Grignard reagent reactions we are preparing alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. So Grignard, this organometallic compound we have studied one example RMgX. It's first we studied the preparation and now we have studied the reactions. Thank you.